Stop using broken toolbox cars. They are filled with viruses and bad code. Today, we're becoming game engineers. We'll build a custom vehicle from scratch using real-world mechanics. No hacks, just pure logic. First, the chassis. This is our main frame. Use Ctrl+D to clone parts. Pro tip, keep your vehicle mass low. This lowers your center of gravity, making the car stable so it won't flip during sharp turns. Now, the axles. In engineering, an axle provides a fixed pivot point. Align them perfectly. Symmetry is your best friend here. If they are off by 0.1 studs, your car will shake like a washing machine. We need to use the weld constraint. Think of a weld constraint as invisible, industrial strength glue. It locks our axles to the main part, ensuring they move together as one perfectly synchronized object without any shaky physics glitches. Copy the front axles. These are going to act as the pivot points for our steering system. Meet the hinge constraint, the backbone of all mechanical movement in Roblox. Think of it like a real-life door hinge. It restricts movement to a single axis of rotation. In our car, we use it for two different jobs. We set it to motor to give the wheels their pushing power, and servo to control the precise angle of our steering. It's the simplest way to turn static blocks into a working machine. Now we should make wheels for our car. The simplest and one of the best ways is to make it from cylinders. Precision is key here. When placing the hinge constraint, click the wheel first and then the axle. Ensure the yellow arrow, our primary axis, is pointing directly toward the chassis to align the rotation correctly. Pay attention. We use 2 blocks for each front wheel. Why? Because a standard hinge has only 1 degree of freedom. One hinge rotates the wheel to drive, and the second one pivots it to steer. 2 blocks equals 2 axes of rotation. Time to add power. We set our hinges to motor mode. This introduces torque, the rotational force needed to move. Tau equals F times R. Torque is your car's muscle. More torque means faster starts, but too much will make you spin out. For 2 other steering hinges, we should choose the servo type. Every car needs a commander. Insert a vehicle seat. This acts as the brain, converting your keyboard inputs, WASD, into signals for our hinges. Group it all and name it body. Organization is the mark of a pro dev. Now that we have our brain, the seat, and our muscles, the motors, we need a nervous system to connect them. This simple script acts as the wiring. It takes the signals from your keyboard, like how hard you're pressing the gas, and translates them into instructions for the wheels. Without this code, the seat and the motors are just parts. The script is what makes them a team. Troubleshooting time. If your car drives backward when you press gas or turns left when you press D, don't worry. This happens due to the inverted polarity of your hinges. You don't need to rebuild the car. Simply go into your script and flip the sign by adding or removing a minus before the variable. This tells our nervous system to reverse the signal, ensuring your inputs match the physical movement perfectly. Now, the skin. I'm using Lightning McQueen. Crucial step, set the body to massless. We want all the weight to stay in our chassis, keeping the center of gravity low. If the top is heavy, you'll flip over. Weld all parts with our chassis and check if anchored and can collide both are set false. Last step, high detail wheels. Swap the cylinders for these meshes. Copy position and size of cylinder and pass that properties into mesh wheel. Set transparency to 1 to hide cylinders. Use weld constraints to bind them to your steer blocks. If they fly off, check your welds. Now, let's see if this McQueen can actually run.
Vroom, vroom.
Let's make it a little bigger and hide our chassis. It looks good, but it's still rigid. It's bumpy because we have no suspension. In part 2, we'll use raycasts, invisible lasers, to make this ride feel like GTA or Forza. Subscribe to the playlist. Let's build something legendary.